Hey, Daddy.
Jeffy, what do you want?
I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and say my pee-pee in the toilet seat.
Jeff, you have the hiccups.
The hiccups?
Today we are reacting to SML. I wanted to say movie because it's a short, so SML short. Jeffy has hiccups. And it's really interesting because any episode with Brooklyn Tea Guy has to be funny. Like, you know, like Brooklyn Tea Guy really is the guy. He is the man. So let's react.
Why?
I don't know, they just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that.
I can't help it, Daddy.
Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath.
Yeah, just hold your breath and it'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you breathe. Jeffy! Jeffy, breathe! You can breathe, Jeffy! Oh no!
He lies, Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
Wait. This is not how it ends.
That can't happen! Jeffy, come on! CPR!
Hey, Mario's really doing it. Like, for real, bro.
Oh, you're alive, Jeffy!
Thanks, Daddy.
What? Your hiccups aren't gone, Jeffy! Okay, that's it. I'm gonna call a doctor, and he's gonna help get rid of those, because I can't say they're annoying.
Okay, Daddy.
Alright, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
You called the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
My question is, if you're a cop and you're gonna sue somebody, I mean, and that's just for no reason right there. Does that really count? Could you really do that? I don't know, cops do it all the time.
Hiccups?
Yeah, Daddy.
General, stop hitting me! He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What, there's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
What, you're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5...
They're the same thing. Unless it's one of his brothers, like Brooklyn, Miami guy. Like there's a lot of Brooklyn bad guy. I think it was. Remember the bad guy who did? Like it was like I'm gonna make a video of all the horror movies in SML, and I'm pretty sure that I know one bad Brooklyn Tea guy. Remember like his like twin.
5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say Let me really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to boo! Yeah, that didn't work. Alright, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is boo! Yeah, no, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Boo! Oh, man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All
So
right.
what's stage 2?
Alright, well, stage 2 is basically boo! Alright, it's not working. Come on, follow me. Boo!
Come on.
Yeah, still nothing. Alright.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay.
Honestly, just stop.
Stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Boom! Ah, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
What?
Alright, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
Alright, on to stage 3.
What was that supposed to do? Scare him when he pops, or like he really likes it so he gets into rage, or what?
Alright, come on, Jeffy.
Alright, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon.
What?
Sharon, what is...
That would really scare the kids. Honestly, I'd be like,
Soggy cookie!
I'd be ducking cover all over the place.
Chris for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy. Where's my kid so I can yell at him? Don't make me get the mask. Boom! Yeah. Did that work? Alright, on to stage 4.
Okay.
Alright, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put it.
You know, the thumbnail was Jeffy having an apple on his head, and there was like an arrow in it, so I'm pretty sure Brooklyn guy is gonna shoot him in the head with the arrow.
An apple on Jeffy's head, and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
A crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's
That's cool. I don't know what you're talking about. It is dangerous, but it's cool.
dangerous. That's why it's scary.
Well, what happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let me go get my goggles. Boom! Man, I'm gonna get him eventually. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
All right, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Well, what are we gonna do
Look at that. Straight in the middle, bro.
about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah, okay, on to stage 5.
Oh, my...
Alright, so for stage 5, we got a bomb here!
What, a bomb?
Yeah, a bomb! And Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die!
Well, which wire does he cut?
The black one!
They're all black.
Yeah, I know, that's why it's scary! We gotta get rid of those hiccups!
Oh, okay, Jeffy, choose a wire.
But then I don't know which one to pick.
Just choose the wire, Jeffy!
Oh, yeah, oh, okay, eeny, meeny, miny, just pick that one. What?
Did it work? Did I scare you? Oh, man.
Why didn't the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the next one. Alright, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane
They're gonna push him.
without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually
That'll kill him if he doesn't have a parachute.
dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the Twister mat.
What, the Twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
Alright, champ, down you go.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone? What do we do now?
Alright, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
Alright, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. That's good. Alright, how much I owe you?
$7.72.
Okay, let me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home.
What?
Oh no! Oh no! How am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it, and I drank my drink. What are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no! What a scary situation! How are we gonna pay you? What do we do?
You leave.
How embarrassing! Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages.
Okay, that was barely scary.
So what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for— Boom! Alright. I had to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Why don't you just do the regular thing? Everybody says hold your breath 10 seconds and drink a bottle of water. First, like, yeah.
One hiccup for the rest of my life.
Get out of here, you stupid fly!
Come on, Jeffy, it's just a fly.
I know, Dave, but it was really scary. It's trying to eat my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, do you have hiccups?
I don't think so.
What? I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
What?
Oh no, please don't tell me.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom!
What would you do to scare? How would you scare someone if you had to? Oh, this is how. Alright, so I have this fake gun and it goes blah. It makes like a loud noise. I go blah. And then I leave like my like somebody there with ketchup on the middle of their shirt right here, and there's a hole in their shirt. And they're dying, like they're pretend dying, and then they'll be like, "Oh my god!" Yeah, they freak out. Sorry, I got the sniffles today. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment down below. Do you really like honestly? What do you do to get to get the hiccups to go away? I already told you. Hold your breath for 10 seconds while drinking water. Always works. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to make this stop recording.